in the world? Oh my goodness.
That one.
What? And you only had this in for a week and a half?
That's it. It would have been shorter, except last week was a training week, so I did not have time to go somewhere.
Oh my goodness.
Or so I've been asking you for earlier.
Lord have mercy. Queens, this is why I prefer to do the beehive pattern. Look at that huge gap. The stylist just braided her hair straight back, which leads to having a gap in the middle of your head and on the sides. This is not the proper cornrow pattern for this installation. She can't pull her hair up in a ponytail either because her back is not properly covered because the cornrow pattern is the wrong cornrow pattern. So this is the cornrow pattern that you want. The beehive cornrow pattern, straight back in the front. Before, after. This is how it should look. Before, a gap here, and then you have your space in the front, and then this is after. You loving the hair? Okay. Okay. All right now. All right now.
Yes.
Say freshly done.
Freshly done.
Now how you like those back sides that you can pull it up? There you go. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yes.
Do it again. Do it again.
Boy, so
Go, I ain't mad at you, woman. I ain't mad at you. Go and do it. Yes.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Y'all better come get some.